This is actually a true life story, and it first appeared in Proceedings, which is a magazine of the Naval Institute. This story is told by Frank Koch. 2 battleships assigned to a training squadron had been at sea on maneuvers in heavy weather for several days. I was serving on the lead battleship and was on the watch of the bridge as the night fell. The visibility was poor, with patchy fog, so the captain remained on the bridge, keeping an eye on all of the activities. Shortly after dark, the lookout on the wing of the bridge reported, "Light bearing on the starboard bow. Is it a steady or a moving stern?" The captain called out. Lookout replied, "Steady, Captain," which meant we were on a dangerous collision course with that ship. The captain then called to the signalman, "Signal that ship. We are on a collision course. I advise you to change your course 20 degrees. Back came the signal. "Advisable for you to change your course 20 degrees, the captain said. "Send. I am a captain. Change your course 20 degrees. "I'm a seaman, second class," came the reply. "You had better change your course 20 degrees. By that time, the captain was furious. He spat out, "Send. I'm a battleship. Change your course 20 degrees. Back came the flashing light. "I'm a lighthouse." We changed our course. Stephen Covey says, like lighthouses, principles stand rock solid, and they can guide us. In this rapidly changing world where it seems there are not many things we can solidly rely on, principles are ageless and foundational. They have a guiding property, like the evening star that sailors could rely on to show them the way.